In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove background color from pasted text in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Google Docs is a free online tool from Google that you can access by going to docs.google.com or through Google Drive in your browser. Everything runs online so you can follow along without installing anything. When you paste text into Google Docs, it can sometimes bring unwanted background color or highlighting that makes your document look messy. Start by selecting the text with the background color. Click and drag over the section so it's fully highlighted. Next, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, scroll down and choose Clear Formatting. This removes the background color and resets the text back to the default style of your document. Once that's done, your text will look clean and consistent with the rest of the page, and that's how you remove background color from pasted text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.